In today's video, I'm going to explain the three properties of air through simple experiments which can be easily done at home. So do watch this video till the end. Friends, we know that air is all around us and is essential for all living things. But we cannot see it, only we can feel it. What is air? Air is a mixture of many gases. It contains 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.03% of carbon dioxide, and water vapor in the form of humidity. It also contains small amounts of argon and neon gases, dust particles, and microorganisms. To know more about air, let us understand the properties of air through different experiments. The first property of air is air occupies space. For this experiment, we need a bowl filled with water and a glass tumbler. First, invert the glass tumbler and try to push it down straight into the water. Here we can see that it is difficult to push the glass tumbler into the water because it contained air. This air did not allow the water to enter into the glass tumbler. Now let's tilt the glass tumbler. Here we can see that when we tilt the glass tumbler, the air present in it escapes in the form of air bubbles. This creates space for the water to enter in the glass tumbler, and it is easy to push the glass tumbler into the bowl filled with water. This shows us that air occupies space. The second property of air is air exerts pressure in all directions. For this experiment, we need a glass filled with water and a piece of cardboard. First, take a glass filled with water and cover it with a piece of cardboard. Now, place your hand on the cardboard and turn the glass upside down. Now, slowly remove your hand from the cardboard. What do we observe? Here we can see that the water inside the glass didn't flow out because of the pressure of air exerted from below the glass. Here, the pressure of air in the upward direction is more than the pressure of water in the downward direction. Thus, this shows that air exerts pressure in all directions. The third property of air is air has mass. For this experiment, we need a stick, two inflated balloons, a string, and one pin. First, take the stick and tie two inflated balloons at the ends of the stick. Also, tie one string in the middle of the stick so that you could hold it and balance it. Friends, here I have made a slit on the neck of the green balloon so that the air would escape from it. Now let's see what happens. Here we can see that the orange balloon is the inflated balloon and the green balloon is the deflated balloon. The inflated balloon is heavier than the deflated balloon. Thus, it shows us that air has mass. If you like my video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Joe's Concept Vlogs. Bye!